Hello, today I will show you how to make a copy of an ID card enlarged to 200%. The ID card we will use is fictional, so there are no security concerns. First, to enlarge the ID card to 200%, make sure you are in Copy section and press the OK button. Next, use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move up and then right until you reach Settings. In this section, you will see that the zoom option is set to 100%. Using the arrows, you need to scroll down to select 100% zoom and press OK. A screen with the zoom options will appear, also showing 100%. With the right arrow, select 100%, then press the OK button. The numeric keypad will appear on the left side. Now, use the arrows and the numeric pad to set it to 200%. Use the arrows to select the number 2. Check to the top left and press OK. Select the number 0 twice. Now we have already set 200%, and now with the arrow select OK. This will set the zoom to 200%. Now select Done with the arrow and press OK to return to the settings screen. Finally, select the return key once to stay in the copy type selection. Then place the ID card to the top of the scanner. Making sure it is aligned with the right edge so it enlarges correctly. Once you are sure the ID is properly positioned, close the printer lid, press the return button, and press the copy button to start the copying process. Note that the first part of the copy will be at 200%. The second part of the ID will be on the bottom of the page, on the white space shown here. To do this, you need to rotate the sheet as shown in the video. The completely blank side should be facing up, as the next copy will be appear at the bottom. Let me place the sheet. Remember, the ID card was in vertical position. Now I need to rotate it completely and leave it in the same place. Just turn towards me. Open the Portrait, then close the printer lid, and press the button to return to the previous screen. Then press the copy button. This way, the ID card will be copied at 200% with both text and image on the same page. This printer has the capability to enlarge document horizontally, but we have adjusted the vertical format to meet the requirements of many institutions. I hope this tutorial is helpful to making 200% copies of ID cards or another identification documents in the correct format. And thanks for watching.